Today, we're talking about attitude. How does attitude actually reflect on the results of your life? We've all this, a better attitude, better results. Well, let's decompose this and make sure you have a clear understanding. Hello there, and welcome back. This is Francois, the CEO Secret Weapon. Let's start with the definition of attitude. Attitude is a composite of your thoughts, your feelings, and your actions. Thoughts, feelings, and actions will determine your results. Now, this attitude, I'll give you a great example of a negative part of it. This morning, I said, okay, I need to do my video. I'm not too sure. Maybe I'll wait. I'll wait. I can do this later. You see the thoughts that I'm having? And so it was creating, look at my face, feelings of, I don't need to do this now. And therefore, I was not doing it. And all of a sudden, I mismatched myself. I said, what's going on here? What are the thoughts that I'm having? I says, these thoughts were not the thoughts of winning thoughts. So I says, hold on. And then I had this inspiration. And this might be for you. Someone out there needs this message today. And maybe it's you. Actually, it is one of you listening to this right now. The thoughts that you have will determine the feelings that you feel. And then if you have bad feelings, you will not take actions like I did previously. Or if you change your thoughts and have better feelings from it, guess what? Those feelings will trigger you to actually take some actions. And those actions might have a positive impact in the lives of others, as I'm sure it's having in your life right now. These thoughts, feelings, and actions are the composites of attitude. And attitude will determine the results that you get. Let's make sure that because the thoughts are initiated by you, you initiate thoughts that are conducive to have good feelings. Because these good feelings will push you into actions. And these actions will create results, a ripple effect of results. Actually, some of you I'll never meet, but this message has touched your life, and I'm so grateful for it. Making a difference in people's lives is what we're all about. Wishing you a wonderful day, and know that you have the power to change your thoughts that will trigger new feelings, and those feelings will put you into actions. Make sure that they're in harmony with what you want. People are waiting for you. Make it a wonderful day. I believe in you.